Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to schedule Instagram posts. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. First things first, open your Instagram app on your mobile device. Step 2. Now, click on the plus button to create a post. Choose your photo or video and tap on Next. Now add filter and click on Next. Here, write a caption of your post. Now, here's where the magic happens. Tap on Advanced Settings. Under Scheduled Content, you'll see a switch labeled Schedule This Post. Go ahead and toggle that switch on. You'll notice a date and time appear. Slide them to the date and time you want your post to go live. Once you've chosen your schedule, tap on Done to confirm your selection. Then go back. When everything's perfect, tap on Share in the top right corner. To view your scheduled posts, go to your profile page and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. From there, select Scheduled Content, and you'll see all your posts lined up. If you ever need to make changes or delete a scheduled post, tap the three dots to the right of the post. You can delete, reschedule, or share the post immediately. Congratulations, you have scheduled the Instagram post. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.